English together.
Talking about the new year.
What will you do for the new year?
I think I will go to a party with my family. We will eat dinner together and watch fireworks. What about you, Sarah?
I want to go to the city center to see the fireworks. It's so beautiful every year.
Oh, that sounds nice. I love fireworks too. Last year I watched them on TV, but this time I want to go out and see them.
Yes, it's more fun to see them in person. Will you go alone, Sarah?
No, my sister will come with me. We will meet some friends there too.
That's great. I will go to a small party at my cousin's house. We will have music, food, and games.
What kind of food will you have?
Probably pizza and cake. My cousin likes to cook desserts.
Yum! I love cake. So, what are your New Year's resolutions?
I want to wake up early every day. I think it will make me feel calm and happy.
That's lovely. I want to write in a journal every night, just a few lines about my day.
Nice ones. Mine is to spend less time on my phone and talk more with my family.
Those are really good ideas. Simple but special.
Let's keep our resolutions.
Yes, let's make this year full of good habits and new memories.
Happy New Year!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.